This is the vertical mount motherboard. The first connector is the fan. The next one is for the LED voltmeter. Then this one, the very next one, is the power switch. Then the one next to it is the buzzer. Then where are we? Then this one above the buzzer is the front USB. Then this one at the front is the back brake light. Then the one behind it, that one, is the front light. And then this one is the kill switch, which is above the brake light. And then the one next to it is LEDs. And then the biggest connector is the hall sensor. Then this guy here is your green from the motor, then the blue, and then the yellow from the motor. This is your USB module, and for some reason they give you 5 pins, but I mean 4 pins, but there's 5-pin connector. And I believe, let me see if I can see it. I believe the last hole on the connector on the motherboard is blank, so your pin should be, the first pin should go in the first hole from the right, I believe. And that's it. What a cluster.